Moving to a new city or country sounds like a clean break, but your credit doesn't get the same reset. Whether it's a fresh start after a breakup, a new job opportunity, or just chasing better vibes, your credit needs attention during any big move. Start by making sure all your accounts stay current during the transition. Set up autopay before you even pack your bags. Late payments during a move are one of the most common setbacks. Also, don't close your oldest accounts just because you're relocating. Your credit history matters no matter where you live. If you're moving within the US, your credit stays with you. But you'll need to update billing addresses, and it's smart to check your credit reports to make sure nothing strange pops up from old addresses or accounts. If you're moving internationally, things change. US credit reports don't follow you, but your US credit score still matters, especially if you ever want to come back, finance something from abroad, or keep lines of credit open. Keep at least one US-based card active and monitor your reports from overseas. Most importantly, don't assume debt disappears because you moved. Old collections, charge-offs, or mistakes can still haunt you if you don't clean them up. That's where we come in. At CreditFixGuy.com, we help you challenge and remove what doesn't belong. It's $53 per round, no social security number needed, no contracts, and if nothing comes off your report, your next round is free. Moving to a new place is about fresh energy. Make sure your credit's in alignment too.